Bob Marley. Yeah, right? Yan, nandito po si Bob Marley pero white.
Once again, wag po tayong aalis. Maraming mga banda ang tutugtog ngayong gabi. And meron po tayong DJ, si DJ Zayden.
I don't wanna wait in vain for your love. I don't wanna wait in vain for your love. Yeah, thank you so much. Three little birds perched by my doorstep, singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true. Singing, this is my message to you. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry. This is my message to you. Say don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Say don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Don't worry about a thing. Clap your hands. About a day. Sabay kanta. Just every little thing is gonna be alright. Come on, lakasan nyo ba? Say don't worry about a thing. Just every little thing is gonna be alright. Say don't worry about a thing. Just every little thing is gonna be alright. Say don't
While some are dead, some are dead. I bust them shot right now. Red and Payaka, Kotong Payaka, Kotong Payaka, Kotong Payaka, Kotong Payaka, Kotong Payaka. Woman feel the pain and suffer. Woman feel the pain, man suffer. Come on, we go reason now. Come on, we go reason now. Come on, we go reason now. Bread and Payaka, Kotong Payaka. Woman feel the pain, man suffer alone. Woman feel the pain, man suffer alone. Come on, we go reason now. Come on, we go reason now. Come on, we go reason now. Bread and Payaka, Kotong Payaka, Kotong Payaka, Kotong Payaka. Come on, we go reason now. Well, I'm telling you, rebel music. Yes, I begin to sing rebel music. Oh, why can't we run this open country? Why can't we be what we want to be? We want to be free. Tree of love, roadblock, curfew. And I got to throw away. Yes, I got to throw away my little herb song. I'm telling you, rebel music. Yes, I begin to sing rebel music. Take my soul and suss me out. You check my life, I'm on, you know, and the curfew, and Mr. Cop ain't got no. Why won't you leave me? I'm singing it. Hey, Mr. Cop. side. I'm telling you, this is a rebel music. I'm glad to say this is a rebel music. Take my soul, source me out. Check my life. If I am in doubt now, but I tell them I give me that rubber dub style. And Mr. Cop, you don't know what to do when you see me coming through. I got the plantation in the hill, top ranking. Woo. Respect me, Mr. Cop, cause I am a living man, a natural way. In this Iowa. Low, take a low. Yo! Bob Marley, take it down low. Isa lang ang sabi ni ate, parokya ni Jah. Sorry ate, this is a Bob Marley night. Bako ni Chito Miranda night. Sunod na matugtog for the road. Original Rudy's in the walk. Walk the island, man. Little darling, steer it up. Come on, baby. Come on and steer it up. Oh, little darling, come on and steer it up. It's been a long, long time since I've got you on my mind. Oh yeah. see what we can do, baby. Just me and you. Come on and steer it up. Little darling, come on and steer it up. Yeah, come on, baby. Come on and steer it up. Hey, little darling, steer it up. I'll push the wood down and place the fire. Then I'll satisfy your heart desire. Said I'll steer it every minute I know. All you got to do, honey, just give the tip. Oh, come on and steer it up. Little darling, why not I steer it up? Yeah. Oh, now come on, baby. Come on and steer and steer and steer and steer it up, yeah. Little darling, steer it up. Oh, the dogs, my dog. Honey, cool me down while I'm on your recipe, darling. It's so tasty. Then you show and stir it up, but come on and stir it up. Little darling, come on and stir it up. Yeah, come on, baby. Come on and stir it up. Little darling, stir it up. Greetings to the people around here at Bob Marley Restaurant. Hey, happy Bob Marley Day, Bob Marley Night. not all that glitter is gold. Half the stories never been told, but now you see the light. Watch it. Stand up for your rights. Get up, stand up. Stand up for your rights. Get up, stand up. Don't give up, don't give up, don't give up. Get up, stand up. Stand up for your rights. Get up, stand up. Don't give up the fight. Most people think great God will come from the sky. Boy, take away everything and make everybody feel fine. But if you know what life is worth, you look for yours and I. But now you see the light there. Stand up and stand up for your rights. Get up, stand up. Stand up for your rights. Get up, stand up. Hey, don't give up the fight. Don't give it up the fight. Get up and stand up. Stand up for your rights. Get up, stand up. Don't give up the fight. We're sick and tired of the results. Case of never done. Look, the government is the same law. We now only understand. Almighty God is a living man. You can't fool some people sometimes, but you can't fool all the people all the time. But I see the light and then what? Stand up and stand for your rights. Stand up for your rights. Get up, stand up. Don't give up the fight. Get up, stand up. Stand up for your rights. Get up, stand up. Don't give up the fight. Why, stay put lang kamo, may mga DJ pa ka. Mark! Don't give up the fight.